Hi there, students. To uphold, a verb, an upholder could be a noun for a person. Well, firstly, we can use this verb to uphold literally, meaning to hold up. So there are various wooden beams in the roof that uphold the roof. They hold it up. She upheld a poster that said freedom for everybody. So we can use this uphold meaning to hold up. But we also use this verb to uphold figuratively. This means to defend a principle, to defend a law. Yeah, I uphold that what they are doing is right. So I'm defending what they are doing is right. Or if there is a court case and there is an appeal, the second judge can uphold what the first judge says. So to uphold, to say that the decision has already been made, is correct. Yeah, a policeman is supposed to uphold the law, whether they agree with it or not. My boss upheld the original decision that I had made. Okay, so to uphold, to defend it. Yeah, freedom of the press is something that needs to be upheld. Yeah, a government should uphold the principles of democracy. Yeah, we will try and uphold the high standards that we have had in previous years. Yeah. Okay, I would like to uphold the rights of the underprivileged. So to confirm or support something, particularly something that has been questioned, to confirm, to endorse, to validate. Yeah. Okay, so to uphold, to maintain something. Yeah, on appeal, the second court upheld, ratified the first decision. Well, ratify is to say that it's correct. But yeah, they upheld the decision. Okay, so an upholder, somebody who supports what they think is right. Yeah, so you could uphold traditional values. Yeah, she is an upholder of of traditional British values. Okay, so to uphold a complaint. Yeah, I complained and a group of people looked at it and upheld my complaint. To uphold a decision, to agree with it, to uphold a principle, yeah, to support it, particularly when the principle has been called into question, to uphold a verdict against an appeal, to uphold a tradition, to carry on supporting it. So I uphold many of the traditional things that we do. Yeah, to uphold a ban. Okay, to confirm it, to agree with it, to say that yes, you think it is a good thing. So to maintain, to affirm, we must uphold certain standards of behavior. We must support them. Yeah, we must preserve them. Yeah, we must maintain them. We must vindicate and confirm and support them. Okay, so to uphold, to support. The court upheld the artist's right to paint naked bodies. Yeah, the House of Lords upheld the judge's original decision. It validated, it confirmed it. Yeah, okay, so to uphold, to favour, yeah, to support, to sustain. Yeah, the decision was upheld by a higher court. Okay, I uphold your right to do this. We still uphold various old-fashioned traditions in this village to maintain a custom, to uphold. And effectively, the origin or the idea is to hold up. You're holding it up. You're stopping it from falling down. We've got a Middle English word, upholden. Yeah. You've got in Dutch, upholden, to hold up, to hold in place. So to uphold, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6, maybe a 6.5. I'm not sure up to uphold informally. I wouldn't use it informally. I would just say to support. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, use uphold in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And this comes from obviously the word hold, Proto-Germanic haldana, to tend, to herd. Yeah, from kel in Proto-Indo-European, to drive. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To uphold, an upholder.